everyone, and welcome back to another episode of This Old Rig. I'm your host, Puddin' Tang, where we go around and we find these old rigs. Today, we travel all the way to Polk County, where we found a 1979 Chevrolet LUV. Now, this thing's got some character to it, and speaking of character, we were lucky enough to meet its owner.
My name is Slick 50.
You hit me with a curveball with the 50. Slick 50. Go again. I'm gonna hush up back here.
My name is Slick 50, and this is my Chevy LUV.
So Slick 50, what made you want a 1979 Chevrolet LUV?
I mean, what's not to love?
Some people say the Chevrolet LUV's an iconic mini truck. Is that true?
I just like to say it's pretty much the best there ever was. Toyota, Ford, ain't got nothing on the old LUV.
Y'all notice he didn't say dancing, did he? So what do you feel like makes a Chevy LUV excel among its peers?
Pretty much everything. Just got good looks, pretty fast, got 5-speed.
Well, I've got to agree with you, Slick 50. She's a pretty good looking rig. Now here on This Old Rig, we like to take an up and close look. So would you mind giving us a walk around of this old rig?
Sure. Come on over here. I have a master cylinder. We have rear brakes, but no front fluid, because brakes are for quitters. We also only have 2 lug nuts, because if 2 don't hold it, 6 never would've.
Damn right.
Can you guys read that? It says Dotson Killer right there.
Oh, too far.
Now that you're seeing what's going on in the front, let's work our way to the rear of the vehicle. Carbon fiber, never heard of her. Don't worry, this is all cosmetic. Right here you got your tailgate quick release. I got a good one.
Yeah, me too.
I got a spare door for the Dotson, blows mine off.
That's exactly what I was about to ask you. I'm like, y'all see, I give him a spare door for when I blow his clean off.
My favorite thing on the inside is definitely the 5-speed. We don't just believe in rust holes for weight reduction, we also believe in stripped down interiors. I'm Slick 50, and thanks for checking out This Old Rig.
And there you have it, folks. Another old rig that has hopefully captivated millions of viewers out there. We'll see you next time on This Old Rig. All right, seriously though, guys, we're kind of looking at Slick's LUV today. He hit me with a curveball with that Slick 50 name. I wasn't ready for that. He just threw a number on there and caught me off guard. As he was just pointing out, you know, and y'all know, we've got a slight rust issue going on, kinda.
Slight.
But the gentleman I got this truck from, Mr. Jack, he had a little pickup bed trailer there, and he mentioned getting rid of it. So long story short, I think we're gonna go look at that bed, kind of see what kind of shape it's in, and figure out if maybe it'll work for Slick here on this rig, or what we're gonna do. We're gonna grab our triple balled hooker. I think Slick's grabbing the tire inflator just in case. Maybe we'll make a deal, okay? Maybe we'll have to tow this rig home with us. She may be plumb full of tools.
Transmission.
And you already know, if that door seal's a whistling, the tow roller's on a mission. Better slow down before I push you off the road. We almost made it out here. Here we go, we made it back to Mr. Jack's house. And right there's the bed. And guys, I did not look this bed over one bit when I was out here, and I have no clue why, but I did not. But there she is.
I think it's the same color.
Yeah, and other than that one whoop-de-doo spot, the other side looked pretty good.
I take whoop-de-doos over rust any day.
You heard it here first, folks. Whoop-de-doos over rust. Good morning, sir. Good, how are you doing? There's my buddy Slick.
Hey, Slick. Nice to meet you. Pretty good.
You actually know his dad.
Yeah, my dad used to work at Bob Gear Tractor.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I guess he knew you.
What was the last name?
White.
White.
Daryl.
James White.
Yep, that's his dad.
Well, small world.
Yeah.
I've lived together all my life, you know.
Yeah. Everybody knows everybody. It's kind of the same color, ain't it?
It is.
Yeah.
I can fix that.
So how'd you end up with this?
Friends of mine had it, and I was needing something to get on my tractor to pull
And
wood out of the wood. But my lift, it doesn't work with my lift too well, so you know it works.
It just happened to match your old pickup.
Yeah.
Just by chance.
Yeah, and then too, they threw in that tire, and I got another one up there.
Wonder what rear end that is. It's 5 lugs, so this ain't original, but look at that little castle nut right in the center.
Yeah, see, I don't know whether they came in just put a whole nother axle under that thing or what.
Yeah, I would say so.
Hey, I got good news.
What's the good news?
Sonic side's clean.
Ooh, that is clean. Especially when the other one's just rusting off the back.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
What happened on that is I had a bunch of plaster in the bag, and I didn't realize that the bag broke down.
Oh.
The plaster got to my bed, and
So I got a custom bed liner. Okay, so plaster broke in the back, and that's what took the hind end off of it.
that's what ate it up there.
Oh yeah, that's cherry. Hey, that's a good year right there. Not that I was born that year or nothing. She's a farm truck.
Oh yeah, she got the.
Yeah, somebody just turned it into a wagon.
Look at those shackles.
Custom lift shackles, huh? It was a hot rod is what it was.
Hey, those were floating a little higher above the ground.
Yeah. Well, you got a little body filler on this side, slick.
I ain't too worried about it.
You're the paint and body guy.
Yeah.
It's definitely an easier fix than what you got now.
Yeah, that one's pretty good.
Yeah.
You do $100 on it?
Yeah, I'll do $100.
Okay.
I think it's worth that.
Yeah, I think so.
We're gonna put it back on your pickup. He's gonna start driving that as a little shop truck. So
Did you get it running good?
yeah,
We're watching the video there yesterday.
we use that good term loosely.
Now you see that's where a parts changer just got left out because I couldn't figure out what was causing me the problem. But when you was having all the problems with the vacuum and stuff, I thought, well, that could be,
Yeah.
part of what contributed. But the generator light just stayed on all the time.
Okay.
Battery,
Yeah, we ain't kept
down.
it. We ain't kept it running long enough to worry about charging yet.
Yeah, we ain't got that far.
That comes in time. So there we go. We got us a bed picked up for this thing.
Well, I knew after I saw that this was in a little better shape than that one was. In
Yeah, and
part of it.
I think it'll work out pretty good.
How are you?
Yeah. Baling wire, the source of life around the country.
Is that your custom wheel chock? Keep them from rolling away?
Yeah. Now I can burn it in the stove since I don't need it for this anymore.
You know what they say, Slick? One don't hold it, two never would have. So if y'all ain't seen these are not uncommon around here. Some people seen these and go, what the heck? I mean, they're literally everywhere here. You take a pickup, you cut it in half, you pinch the frame, you bring her up here, you put you on a hitch. I think this is 1 7/8 inches, and that's what Mr. Jack said he believes it is too. Well, how convenient. We got good air in the tires, both of them, so we ain't got to worry about that. Oh, my turn. What's that over there? Look, perfect, like it was meant to be. Old Slick 50 got that new bed. What a setup and a rig. What do you think about that, Jack? Look good?
Yeah.
Yep. I think Captain owns the tow roller now.
That's his tow roller. Put his name on right here.
Captain. Maybe y'all can see we got the old trailer on there headed towards the house. Gosh, he actually tows pretty good. It's really weird. Me and Slick turned one corner on the way here, and the car developed an exhaust leak for like 10 seconds, then it magically went away. Welcome to the Taco Boy. Don't forget to swing her wide. We got trailer on, baby. Ain't no jackknifing going on around here. We just back it into it. Bam.
Awning.
Oh, not the canopy again. See, I knew it was a little different color.
This color.
Yeah, matches the door, don't it?
Yeah.
Get the old Lysol wipe. Let's give her the scrub test. Look at that color.
Buff out.
Look at her pop. Old Slick 50 just got so excited. He's ready to test this thing too. Oh, she'll buff, buddy. She'll buff. We just trying everything Chevy LUV around here. Yep. It's press action.
Mama ain't no pump. There's no pump.
Yeah, that's an exact match right there.
Hercules, Hercules.
Oh shit, that thing will get you every time.
Pimp down.
May not hold a tailgate closed, but it'll knock you on your ass. If the whole tow rollers are rocking, don't come a knocking. That damn Oklahoma red dirt will get you. Let's go in the shop. It got kind of windy out here. We're gonna go in the shop and kind of talk about the plans for all of this. Speaking of future plans, look what just showed up there. She is guaranteed genuine, original European. So me and Slick's been kind of bouncing ideas off each other. Now it's his truck, so he gets. We're gonna do whatever he wants to do, guys. But we've kind of talked about how I do a lot of them. We're gonna do some budget lowering. So I think he said he already had lowering blocks. Mm-hmm. What are they? 3 or 4?
4.
4 inch. So we'll probably just crank the torsion bars for now to match the front. Obviously we got the bed, so y'all know he's a buffing machine, so we'll probably end up with 2 different shades of blue but buffed out. He's got a white one he found that he really likes.
Yep. It's got cool hook caps on it. They're smoothie hook caps, and then it's just lowered. I'll probably put a shop logo on the door and kind of go from there. What it needs, you know, just stand back and look at it.
So, real simple stuff. Priority numero uno, running, driving, stopping. Then we're gonna give it the squat, some steelies, caps, some lettering, just some personality. But the good thing is we found the bed today. We got it bought. We got it. We made it home. we made it home, and that's what really matters. I appreciate y'all watching here on the second channel. I have fun doing these shorter videos. It's not near as much work. I get more content out, so I appreciate y'all coming back and watching. And be sure to subscribe if you ain't done that yet. I'm on the Instagrammer, the Patreon. All the support of you guys coming back keeps me motivated, so thank you guys. And I will see you guys next time. But don't forget, sitting on your ass won't finish your project. And we've got projects.
A lot.
A lot. Hot damn, there's so much BSery. We had to start a whole channel for all the extras. Be sure to go check out Puddin's Fab Shop if you ain't seen that baby yet. Come on!